Welcome to BB Python Programming. In this video, I'll be telling you how a program tells you today, date and time. Let's start. Import datetime. The datetime I use here has a method for formatting date objects into readable strings, and this method is called strftime. I'll be showing you with two examples. Please watch till the end. X is equal to datetime dot datetime now. Now I'll be using the print function print x. This is a simple method. Now let's run our program. The example here contains year, month, day, hour, minute, second and microsecond. Now in the second example, all we have to do is to change the second line using the strftime method which I told you earlier, which takes one parameter format to specify the format of the returned string. Here in the format I'll be using year, month and date. Now let's run our program. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And if you have any doubt regarding this program, please comment down below. I'll help you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.